In this session, we are discussing the range of all the basic data types and their type modifiers. So look at integer types. We have integer along with character. CHAR occupies 1 byte in memory. 1 byte is 8 bits. Unsigned CHAR, unsigned means only positive numbers. That's the reason the range is from 0 to 255. 255 means 2 to the power of 8 minus 1. So we have type modifiers for int, short int, long int. As usual, we have unsigned int. No confusion regarding the things here. Integer 2 bytes. What do you mean by 4 bytes? 2 bytes are 4 bytes. In case of 64-bit notation, it shows 4 bytes. Short int 2 bytes, long integer 4 bytes. The basic range of integer is minus 32,768 to 32,767. Integer 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits. So long integer 4 bytes. Unsigned integer. Unsigned integer means only positive numbers. Only positive numbers. 0 to 65,535. That is 0 to 2 to the power of 16 minus 1. Integer 2 bytes. It takes both positive and negative numbers. The range is minus 2 to the power of 15 to plus 2 to the power of 15 minus 1. That is minus 32,768 to 32,767. So to get the exact type of a variable, we can use size of operator. Look at this, size of int. In general, you are supposed to get 2 bytes only, but if you are working on online editors or any other 64 notation related things, you get 4 bytes. Floating point, float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes, and long double. The precision, float with %f. The default number of decimal places are 6. The precision is 6. So we have a header file float.h, which determines macros that allows you to use these values and other details about the binary representation of real numbers. We'll see a simple example here. Look at hash include stdio.h and hash include float.h. Int main is not visible over there. You just put int main over there. Look at the printf statement. The size of float. To find the minimum value, we have flt underscore min. To find the maximum, we have flt underscore mex. To find the precision, we have flt underscore dig. So once you compile and execute the program, not only on Linux or any other operating system, you can see the size, minimum and maximum value as well as precision.